Hello guys, in this video I will solve 15 questions from APSC paper of chemistry 2015. So I will start it from here. The first question is, the element with atomic number 54 exists in which group of the periodic table? So for that you have to know the noble gas family and their atomic numbers. So if we compare, if we use the magic number, which is 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, you will get that then the atomic number 54 is the atomic number of xenon. So xenon is from group 18, so the option A will be correct. Question number 2, beryllium and aluminium exhibit some similarity in chemical behavior. This is because of diagonal relationship, because beryllium and aluminium are in diagonal relationship, so some of the properties are similar. So option 2 is correct. Question number 3, which among the following metal ions exhibit the highest magnetic moment? So there are certain ions given, and you have to find the ion with highest number of free electrons. So chromium, iodine, copper and scandium is given. So for chromium 3 positive, the free electrons, number of free electrons is 4. In Fe3 plus, number of free electrons is 5. Copper 2 plus, number of free electrons is 1. And in scandium there is no free electron in the orbital. So option B is correct, iodine 3 plus, which contains 5 unpaired electrons. Next question, question number 4, the 4 quantum numbers of the 2 electrons of helium atom are is given. The difference of the quantum numbers of the 2 electrons of helium atom is due to. So that see all the out of the 4 means quantum numbers, the last one is different. So according to our Pauli's principle, no 2 electrons can have the same set of 4 quantum numbers. So the option will be C, Pauli's exclusion principle. Question number 5, which one of the following is in the correct increasing order of electron affinity? So the correct highest electron affinity will be of chlorine. So here option C. So chlorine, this option C, iodine is smaller than bromine, which is smaller than chlorine, and which is smaller than chlorine. So option C will be correct. Next question, which one of the following is the least electronegative element? The least electronegative element should be a metal, and here the metal is only sodium. So option D is correct. Next question, question number 7, which one of the following has the highest value of ionic radius? So in order to calculate the ionic radius, you have to know that ionic radius depends on charge. So here S2 negative, sulfur 2 negative is the correct option. And if you have any doubt, so you can also calculate Z by E. Z by E means atomic number divided by number of electrons. So the lesser the value of Z by E, more will be its ionic radius. So in that case also S2 negative is the answer. Next question, question number 8, the first ionization potential of an element X is 10.5 eV. The value of electron gain enthalpy of X positive ion would be. So remember one thing, the ionization potential and electron gain enthalpy are equal, but the charge will be opposite. So here the option C will be correct. Next question number 9, which of the following elements belong to the same group of the periodic table? So option B, see, option B, in option B, atomic number 4 means beryllium 4. If you add 8 there, it will be if you add 8 there, it will be 12. If you add another 8, it will be 20. If you add 18, then it will be 38. Then if you add another 18, it will be 56. So option B is correct. Basically I have added the magic numbers and have checked whether they follow the rule or not. Next question number 10, in which of the following molecules all the bonds are not equal? So BF3, SF6, CH4 and BRF3. So remember one thing, in bromine we have 7 electrons in the outermost shell, and therefore in BRF3 there will be 2 lone pairs. And which will basically form which will give repulsion to the bond pairs. As a result, the structure will be different, but the remaining one, BF3, SF6, CH4, they are all tetrahedral, but BR3 is not tetrahedral, it is distorted T-shaped. which among the following, that's why the correct option will be D. Okay, question number 11. So here, which among the following is the correct increasing trend of bond order? So here you have to first calculate the molecular orbital electronic configuration of oxygen. So you know that O2, in O2 there is a double bond between two oxygen atoms. So the bond order for O2 is 2. Now for O2 positive and O2 negative and O2 2 negative you have to calculate. Then you have to write whether they or how they are arranged. So for that you have to write as. So after calculation you will get that O2 positive has a bond order of 2.5, and so O2 positive will have the highest. So here option number A, in only this is the only option where O2 positive has given the highest position. So option A is correct. Next, the total number and types of bonds in acetylene molecule are. So acetylene molecule means ethyne molecule, means CH triple bond CH. So here you have to calculate. Though the number of sigma bonds and pi bonds you have to calculate. So here the number of sigma bonds is are 3 and pi bond is 2. So option D is correct. Which one of the following is not isostructural with CCl4? So remember one thing, CCl4 is tetrahedral. So NH4 positive is a tetrahedral, CH4 is tetrahedral, SF4 is SF4 is not tetrahedral. D CH3Cl, it is also tetrahedral. So correct option is SF4. SF4 is your option, is your answer. C. Which number 14, which one of the following represents correctly the increasing order of CO bond length for carbonate ion, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide? So we know that in carbon dioxide there is a double bond between carbon oxygen. In carbon monoxide there is a triple bond, and in carbonate anion there is a double bond and single bond, mixture of double bond and single bond. So we know that in triple bond there will be the length will be minimum. So CO has the minimum one, which one? C and A. Next is carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide there is a carbon oxygen double bond, so it will have more bond length as compared to CO. So option C will be the correct, because carbon monoxide has lowest bond length, then carbon dioxide, and the last one will be carbonate anion. Next, in a regular trigonal bipyramidal MX5 structure, the number of XMX bond at 180-degree angle is. So here the number of XMX bond. Acha, so MX5 is trigonal bipyramidal. So if we compare, if you remember the structure, you will get only one XMX bond in trigonal bipyramidal structure. So option A, which is 1, is correct.